So hello students and welcome back. Now we will study the very important topic maths in calculus, application of derivative. Application of derivative. Derivative means differentiation. Before this we have studied about this. What is the meaning of dy by dx in calculus in differentiation? And now we will study how to use it practically. It can be used to find the approximate values of square roots, cube roots, or fourth roots or other radicals. So how to use it to find the approximate value of square roots of number? Like if we want to find the square root of 26, then we can use this method of approximation in application of derivative. So first of all, we will think about the number which is a perfect square and nearest to 26. So which number is nearest to 26 and is a perfect square? So we know that it is 25. And the difference between 26 and 25 is plus 1. Okay. Now what should we do first of all? First assume that y equals to root x. And then we write y plus delta y equals to square root of x plus delta x. It means when x increases by delta x, y increases by delta y. And what is the relationship between these two, delta y and delta x? It is obtained using the principle of differentiation or the principle of derivative. Okay. So x means we have already discussed that x plus delta x is root 26. We have to find value of root 26 and the nearest perfect square to 26 is 25. So we assume that x equals to 25 and delta x equals to 1. So what will be the value of y? Y is root x, that is, it is a square root of 25, na? When x is 25. So value of y is 5. So how to find delta y now? If we find delta y, then it will give the value of square root of x plus delta x, that is square root of x plus delta x, that is under root of 25 plus 1, that is under root of 26. So we have already obtained the value of y. Now the only thing which is unknown is this delta y. For this, we use the principle of derivative. So how to use this principle of derivative? Delta y using derivative. Delta y by delta x, when delta y and delta y are very small, will be equal to dy by dx at x equals to, we have assumed that x equals to 25. So we find delta y by delta x, which is equal to dy by dx at x equals to 25. Now y equals to, we know that is root x. So dy by dx equals to 1 by 2 root x, and it is at x equals to 25, that is 1 upon 2 root value of x is 25, which is 1 upon 2 into 5 equals to 1 by 10 equals to 0.1. So this is the value of delta y by delta x. We were searching for the value of delta y by delta x and we have calculated it to be 0.1. Now, this delta x we have assumed as 1. So use this value of delta x in this. Delta y upon 1 equals to 0.1. On cross multiplying, we are getting delta y equals to 0.1. Clearly, y plus delta y, which is equal to under root of x plus delta x, that is y is 5, we have calculated earlier. Y equals to 5. Delta y is 0.1 equals to square root of x is 25. Delta x is 1. That is square root of 25 plus 1, 26 equals to 5.1, which is the approximate value of a square root of 26. And this is the answer. Hope you must have understood how to find the approximate value of square root using application of derivative. So we will use this to find the approximate values of the questions given in our sheet. Like the first question is, we have to find what square root of 16.4. So what should we do? I'm discussing one more question with you. First of all, we will search for the nearest square root of 16 by assuming, let's assume that y equals to square root of x. So y plus delta y equals to square root of x plus delta x, where x equals to, we break this x plus delta x into two parts, x equals to 16. Delta x equals to 0.4, 16 plus 0.4. So y equals to square root of x, that is square root of 16, equals to 4. And we know that delta y by delta x equals to dy by dx at x equals to whatever we have taken, 16. Okay. So it implies delta y by value of delta x is 0.4 equals to dy by dx, as y is root x, dy by dx is 1 by 2 root x at x equals to 60. It implies delta y upon 0.4 equals to 1 upon 2 root 60. It implies delta y upon 0.4 equals to 1 upon 2 into square root of 16 is 4. It implies delta y equals to 1 upon 2 into 4 into the 0.4 goes to the right hand side, 4 times 40. So it is 1 by 20. That is 0.05. So value of delta y is 0.05 and we have to find y plus delta y to find the value of root x plus delta x, that is root 16.4. So we write under root of 16.4 equals to y plus delta y equals to 4, delta y equals to 0.05. So the approximate value of the square root of 16.4 is 4.05. That's it. Similarly, we can solve the questions involving cube root also with the same method. Cube root of 28, it is nearest to the 27, which is cube root, which is the cube of 3, cube of 3. 26, 27 minus 1, take delta y equals to minus 1. And similarly, you can solve the other questions also. So continue to solve and continue to ask your doubts.